Sir, got the camera on? Yeah.
Got the camera on? You're the one turning it on. Who exactly is the cameraman in these videos? I just revealed it in the newest LEGO Adventures episode with Doctor Who. It's Superman.
You can see how I turn human into Lego. Now,
yeah, this is probably my most forgettable video of all time.
When someone was a Lego out to start with, be turned into a human. This is pretty cool. All I have to do is press a few buttons.
I like how there's just R2-D2 just lying on the side.
Please, Joey. Please, Joey. Whoa, I'm human. Oh, my computer's bigger.
Oh.
And now the big problem is, how do I get him back? I'll turn him back in another episode. Okay, yeah. Stay tuned in today because
I like when I got my brother to act.
Somewhere around this week. Next
Not
week,
really a fan of doing that anymore.
Probably today or tomorrow. We're gonna have 11
I like how I tried to say I'll make a video tomorrow, but I never did it tomorrow. I never made a video.